starting off with a little McDonald's action. This one's on DoorDash. Yeah, 40 E4. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. And it's making me put the code in. I'm surprised it was ready. But, alright, leave at door. Message upon arrival. Do not knock or ring bell. What's up, guys? We are doing the apps today. It has been a long day. It is 4 o'clock right now. It's been a long work day. And I've been dealing with stuff at home. So, I might not be like the most peppiest as I usually am in videos. But I don't want my stress to come off on you. You know what I mean? So we're gonna turn this around, have a positive evening, and make some money. So far so good. As soon as I turned DoorDash on, I got an order. I am scheduled on solo with only DoorDash because the DoorDash seemed a little higher than the Uber Eats. Oh my god, there's so much traffic. The only bad thing about delivering for dinner time is the traffic. Now if the orders make it worth it, it wouldn't be so bad. I don't even remember what I was saying. So it's been a long day. I don't talk about my personal life much. We just had the hurricane action, which kind of hit us overnight, and I didn't wake up to any flooding. Nothing was blown over, so my area was completely fine. I can't say that about the rest of Tampa. Like, a lot of areas are just flooded. And on top of that, I have some family staying with us for a while. So that's been a lot. Hopefully some things can start happening, and things will look up. So I'm just focused on today and right now, and what I can do today to make tomorrow better, and basically that's make some money. I turned my Uber Eats on, so now I have DoorDash and Uber Eats going, and I basically just take the best order that comes and I decline the rest. Alright, $12 for 12 miles. I'm gonna decline that one. $9.28 for 14.3 miles. I'm declining that one too. $8.75 for 13.5 miles. It says I'll be done by 6. It is 5 o'clock. That math ain't mathin'. Alright, this one's a little bit better. $7.25, 2.5 miles. I'm gonna accept that one, y'all. I've just been declining orders. I'm already here. And now you said you paused my dash. I literally just I'm a what? DoorDash has literally said they are pausing my dash again, but I'm literally picking up an order. Hi, DoorDash. For Susan. Thank you for picking up order. Susan, confirm. Can you confirm pickup on your order for me? Yes, ma'am, I sure can. All right, leave at door. GPS signal lost. Y'all heard that? Right by the dog. They are outside. Alright, the people that were in the middle of the street came down here and he went to them. Apparently it's their dog. So that dog looks just like my dog, except for mine's white. It was so cute, so friendly. See, I don't mind that at all. I don't mind that at all. Give me some doggy lovin's. $11, 13 miles. That is not my journey. $6 for 20.5 0.9 miles. Let me screenshot that one for my reels. $6, 20 miles. That should be illegal. See, my last video, I was delivering dinner time. I was in a different area. But, well, you're going fast. You better slow the fuck down, bro. I was in a different area, but I was getting such good orders back to back to back on Uber Eats. Now, y'all see what they're sending me. Like, they're playing with me now. What is this? What is this? Y'all got the numbers flipped around. Okay, I'm not gonna sit out here and waste my time any longer, but I'm realizing this right this moment. Today is the last day of the month, and y'all know rent's due, electric due, baby shark doo. I don't know how that goes. But like, this is like the worst day to be delivering food. It's Thursday. After, like, the last 2 days was a hurricane coming through here. I just thought, you know, people are like, oh, let's order some food. I don't know, not like anyone lost electric or anything, like, from the hurricane or anything. Like, near, in this area, I should say. But, like, it's the last day of the month. I don't know why. It just dawned on me after declining all these bad orders and not really getting any good orders. Like, I don't know what's up with Uber Eats today. So, I'm gonna go home. I was out for an hour and a half, you guys. I made $13. I did 2 orders. So, along with my last video where I made $25 an hour consistently, it's always a hit and miss though. I knew I wasn't gonna come out and like consistently make what I did last time, but I mean, I should have stayed home. And you know what? It just goes to show that delivering food, like nothing is certain. You are working with an algorithm. An algorithm. Don't let me get into that. But this is just learn from my mistakes. Don't come out on the last day of the month. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.